dear our customers, welcome to our DJ Showcase. It's Lee. Recently, most of our customers feedback to us when use our showcase, especially have the electronic lock. When the electronic lock have problems and cannot open, they worry about how to open it. So today, we are in factory now, and also we invited our engineer to come to here to show you all how to process when the electronic car have problems and cannot open. So just follow us. We will show you how to solve this kind of problem, okay?
Firstly, we should take up the tree of the showcase. Push the two parts of the sliding guide on right direction. And see the inside, there is a rope in it. We take it out, push the door slightly and it will open. Take off the cover. We can see there are three electronic appliances. It's the LED driver. If the lighting is work, then it proves it's good. If not, then it means broken. If the LED driver is good, then we can check the control device. We can remove the control device with a new one to install. And to try if the lock can open well. If the lock here can move normally, which means the old control device was broken. If it cannot move and go on, you should check if the lock was broken and then take a new one to replace. If the lock can move normally, which means the old lock was broken. Then this is all the checking solutions.